Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going to go over my 30% off anything under 20 for ITC members that's going on this weekend at Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing I picked up was going to be a Doyle stubby multi-bit screwdriver and nut driver bit set. The reason why I picked this up is because I have the Quinn screwdriver set, but it comes with no stubby screwdrivers. So I picked this up because of the price of it with the 30% off to throw it in my US General Tool cart over here that you see to the side of me. So the great thing about this one is the regular price on this one was $9.99. Sales price on this one was $6.99, saving me $3 on that. Can't beat that deal. Let's move on to the next one. Now the next thing I picked up here, and I forgot to mention, I did use all 5. You can do 5 a day on this sale. And what I picked up on this one is going to be the Pittsburgh 6-piece precision screwdriver set. Now you're going to say, why did you pick this up, Jesse? Right here, I got to start wearing reading glasses, and these arms loosened up, and I didn't have no precision screwdriver sets. Now this one, the reason why I picked this one up is $5.99 regular price. With the 30% off, it was $4.19. saving me $1.80 on this. Now Quinn does have a bigger set, and if you're looking for something like that instead of getting this one, wait till the Quinn sale on the August parking lot sale and you can get 35% off of the Quinn one. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll leave a card up above for that one so you can check out the Quinn sales video. Now the number 3 thing I bought here is going to be the Pittsburgh 12-piece cold chisel and punch set. Now the reason why I bought this is I want something to throw in my US General Tool cart. I have an older set that's, I don't know, I think I got it at like Big Lots or something. That's in my Black Craftsman tool chest, but some of the chisels are broken up. It's really old. So I wanted to replace those with these because at least if I break these, I should be able to take them in and exchange them. And like I said, I need to throw them in my tool chest, so I got them. So that was my number 3 pickup here. And these are going to be $14.99 was regular price on this. I paid $10.49, saving $4.50 on them. Now the next thing I pick up here, I usually pick up every time they have this kind of sale, just because I go through a lot of them. And what I picked up was the Grant's microfiber cleaning towels. This one is the 12 by 12s. Very nice to have these. I love these Grant's microfiber towels now. Like I said, I used to buy all mine at Walmart, and then I got the smaller pack free for a free gift one time, used them, and I really liked them. So now I picked these up. And this kind of goes with what's going to be the next item on here, but let's go over the price of this first. These are normally $5.99. I picked them up for $4.19, saving $1.80. All right, and the last thing I picked up here for today, I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to go back this week. If you guys don't know, I live out in the country, and it's like a half-hour drive to Harbor Freight. So I don't know if I'm going to go back to later for Saturday or Sunday to pick any more up. But what I got here, I just dropped the video on this morning. This is the Pittsburgh Deluxe Lens Renewal System. This thing works great. Now, I was using a like $25 mother's kit before this, and it worked real well. But then the last time they had this 30% off of 20, I bought this kit. Like I said, check my video out on this. I've been very happy with this. Now, the great thing about this is regular price is $13.99, which is way better than the $25 I was paying for the mothers. But the sales price on this is $9.79. saving you $3, or not $3, saving you $4.20 on this. I was looking at the wrong one. Absolutely love this kit. And there you go. There's my little tool haul that I picked up for the 30% off under 20. It pays to be ITC. So there you have it. There is the 5 items I picked up today on the 30% off of under $20 for ITC members. Regular customers, I think it's $10 you got to do. That's why I think it pays to be ITC. Actually, my membership's going to be up at the end of August, and I'm going to renew it, and I'm going to do the 2-year plan on it because this is the first year I've done it. This is also going to be running up on the first year I've been doing tool videos, so I'm going to renew it just because I love it for the fact that I get to do a lot of videos with it. Now, what I want to tell you guys is let's go over my total savings here. This is going to be before tax because everybody's tax is different. But I spent $35.65 and my total savings was $15.30 on this sale. Not bad. Great time to pick stuff up like this. And also sometimes what I do, actually I got some right here. The end cap that has all the chemicals on it, like your carb spray and your fuel injection cleaner, WD-40 and everything. perfect time to hit that aisle up is when they're doing a sale like this. I needed a couple things and I needed to stock up, like the Headlight renew kit. A bunch of my friends saw how my car came out, so now I got extra side jobs. I'm going to be making money on the side using that headlight cleaner kit, so I had to pick that up. And when I'm done with the polish, I use the microfiber cloths to wipe off. But like I said, great time to pick chemicals up like this. Your sandpapers, your grinding disc, anything that's under $20. Right now is a great weekend to get them. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel out and helps the channel grow, and I can't do this without you guys. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.